Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 29th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 8621. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.